gentlemen, it's time to begin today's demonstration. The United States Air Force F-15E Strike Eagle. This capability keeps our F-15Es on the offensive in any air-to-air engagement. Smith and Captain Cox are now turning the aircraft back toward Show Center. Are now performing the Cuban 8, demonstrating the F-15E's ability to rapidly transition from low energy to high-speed flight, as well as showing you the raw power and acceleration the Strike Eagle has. In air-to-ground combat, time-sensitive targeting allows the F-15E to strike targets quickly in an ever-changing environment. It was American and fire the gun at a rate of 6,000 rounds per minute, and then recover the jet for follow-on attacks. After release, Captain Smith will maneuver in a series of evasive turns to defeat enemy SAMs and AAA, while Captain Cox guides in the bomb for a direct hit. And to your left, the Strike Eagle dedication pass. Where Captain John Cox will describe the next maneuver, the Strike Eagle Max Performance Climb.
Good afternoon, Cleveland. This is Captain John Gizmo Cox in the back seat of the Strike Eagle. Captain Phil, Rick Smith, and I are going to show you what made this plane famous. Its vertical climb capability. From the left, at 300 feet and over 600 miles an hour, we're going to stand this jet on its tail and take it 3 miles high in under 20 seconds. Hey, Rich, you ready to rock?
Hey, let's do this, Cleveland.
All right, Cleveland, on your feet, because it's time to rock and roll.
There's 1 mile. There's 2 miles.
And there's 3 miles high as we pull it over the top. Strike Eagle demo team would like to give a big shout out to all my family and friends who made it out today. Now on the way back down from 3 miles. There's 2 miles. And there's 1 mile as we begin our recovery. Now back to you, Vinny the Voice.
Of the United States Air Force. From this gathering was born the Heritage Flight. Approaches from behind and directly overhead. By Captain Phil Smith and Captain John Cox, performing a 4-point roll. And your world
From the right in the Strike Eagle, we'll listen once again to Dwayne O'Brien singing We Remember.
Those who had to fly.
Program.
Give the honor such a
Now, ladies and gentlemen, one final high-speed pass and then back to Cleveland Hopkins Airport.